Yama munyina mache makwa babiem emfa emra bedwam dwumade so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Multi TV Digibox they live and so a hodom. Ye streaming on Facebook Adom TV and as Adom TV Extra. Sa so na ko YouTube so ye Adom TV. Ja comment ho na ye kenkan emfa ema se ejebo ochina na ye na nya aduma ne sa. Ochina any the D-Day ye de #DefendMediaGH. Ye mo Ghana nsɛmtwerɛ nnwumako no ho ban. Amanyɔfo atete ayakayaka de timemfo atete ayakayaka de na adɔso. Ye nyina ye sorry to defend Ghana nsɛmtwerɛfo. Munti ni ye sorry ahomache de sumu no mienu no miensa ni asɔre afiri ye yerem ye ma achi. Just to be here say be ma ohunu ne ye ekoso. Imagine yourself in Omanya, obeso na TV nya adwuma, radio nya adwuma. Wadwen wo ayamhihye betimi de ato oso. Ayamhihye betimi e de abrew. Because the question you keep asking yourself is, dear na koso wo man mu. What is say, ojabom kakra bi asia, your first port of call is so be so radio. Same training eteso. Be so ye de ayakayaka de atenie. And somewhere and some fatani ntimi kanchire yankasa ho na ye kan kire nsɛmtwerɛfo ye kansa ne yankansa ne ye nyina so ye ba sebe sene ye wo a wo hwem wo a wo tie mo ye ade bia ɛtore bia na me boot me buafu na mo nya adaaje me nya mbere me nya tumi entreme nsa wo so no ne kwa so so tere wo nsa wo me so kamanim kamebo na kire me so kana se enkana so de be report me mpanifo empo e wo court fa me kɔ antene won sa won samtwerefo so eti ochina ewo asante manteman nkro kumase eyade a ye nyina ade ne ekire kumase city mall eho na dwumede nyina ebefri ede aba na Philip Osei Bonsu ebetena adwam honom na eno achi yenya oman hene kwabena asante Chief Jerry Forsen Nana Jantua yowo inshira 104.5 FM. E nyina ya som ginambiam ya hodo to amane e de free Ghana mantam dunsie nyina mu amo hunu ayakayaka de ni atete ya Ghana centrefo. But before that, ye mo hunu some of the impactor enam centrefo so eti aba omemu. E bi na pa na make catch up through multimedia, especially because say maami ano ne basse bi eda dambuntom. Eno motimi nya efie emuti because almost story omde two dwa no etachi sikani bia koma ya no wotie ekosi sen e no faton so ne ma depend sifie muade ama maame no ensemtrefo ye so ye nyai the attack on journalists in Ghana ye boni a fa no kra ne tenetene ye entene won sa wo ye so so ochire ye nyina ye nhyalo pa no so pepepe da dwumede no ahye ase ya to ye se da friend penfo odo bebre ye obo nyina eba na manfo apolisifo amanyofo omo na edi mu tintimaye omo amoya no mo chitafo na ebo ye yalo pe ebi wa mo no afre chitafo cha Muni akwesi nwe sisi e pa be. Me di akwesi isi da so agye brada hwe da no pe. E bra se da bedwafo we trase ne adwetwe enkomo Alhaji Halidu Haruna, a member of the NDC National Communications Team. Kwesi Kwati head of public relations or Ministry of Education, member of the MPP National Communications Team. Alhaji bako de.
Na me ado.
A big today. A big
come so edi.
E come so di binom.
Mo time a wo frame no. Se ankama didi emia ankamada
na o se musika
ba mi didi ntino na me yavu no aye
o da kura enyeye
mi da kura enyeye nti na wo friends that time na o ti mi nya mi
kwazi ejeye
Esadom
ministry boko
Esadom bia boko Alhaji se o friend come dey na jo
so say count min na
come dey min na
didi ya kan wa dada
and we dey
Masha with the heavy medidi.
Where did this hour we have a woo? You never be. amani osem tu si krum ha woni dia alaji mu a ofu
dia
force akese mi
dia ye be to eduanu no na enni ho enu na e mai kom no
watch ebo no otiti so se woni di
e kom e bi didi
mi nua no mebo
was it alaji about question quick one this issue about say 83% of your disunion for a free senior high school yes so do university common algebra see I'm solving algebra cry so a professor and a lecturer at the University of Ghana draw attention of a man say the quality of education they my mofra through free senior high school it needs to be checked again as head of public affairs or ministry Matiwe no credit trouble anyone.
When you am say, for us in the Ministry of Education, the question about Sebia Obi dia try say, we Obi cannot credit.
Yeah.
But the most important thing is there are facts over we have to refer ourselves to.
Okay.
Sebia Bru, nobody is saying say young woman you need challenges any can say when ACC. De bia bribia matron fidie so kraka say fititama nwoma sua bai wontimi ntete mofra in the 19th century classrooms 19th century system of education now unya and also expect 21st century outcomes and definitely we've had the systemic challenge within the education sector but na say consistently no nipa bi mu be say everything a war nwoma sua num sebi the enye bia na occasioned by the fact say abanhwe school fees mankofo a na odwen ho kwachire business edientia and you go beyond that and in compile because removing the veil no wa hwe nipa kro wachire say papa edientia na kasa because sebio ye free access policy came at the backdrop of a political promise it is some way somehow politically or the other buy will benefit from it and you won't expect to say Obi no politically or benefited from it or sorry na obo abaso. Before I go to the facts, it is very clear to establish one, Openino or make his comment on an NDC platform, NDC event. Okay. Two, he's a known member of the the National Democratic Congress. Okay.
Professor Martin Abebiu.
Yes,
he's head of Geography Department, University of Ghana.
Yes, Geography. You research, and as one summer American should even be based on your department, but he's talking about mathematics department. But Mami and go straight to the claim no Mickey. First of all, me and of television used to say, ne asem no kind any based on any facts or evidence or any research.
Okay.
That is the first thing I want to say because say based on facts or evidence or researcher, also who say compare the only measure of outcome in terms of what you say be friend say at the senior high school level no, outcome has increased was see results but before I go see results quickly maybe just 1 minute can they be so an ordinary person or cancer coming in influence because if we are seeing an obia we say when enrollment increases quality reduces. Okay. A proven researcher that even in the academia because so we were 800,000 students in the year 2016. Let's say 1.4 million students. We was the infrastructure ben out the kwaje sankra no meboa. Teacher for hin na kwaje sankra de. Teaching and learning materials ben outside because within a space of 7 years, 8 years, untimi nya sa de we nyina nya de emfiri ho. Nti we ase nyina no say nipa dodo na best school bebreba na in terms of quality na they reduce. That's what we know. Okay. But in the case of Ghana, we were able to defy gravity. Ghana nkwa yense strong kwa eno nkwa ema Ghana de yan conform to the already established standard that we have. In the case of Ghana, even though there was an increase in enrollment, quality rather increased. Na ho na mebe kire wad kuntia. Ghana there was the novel introduction of ADFN, the double track system. The double track na yak me the case data no so to be able to make a claim said na some kind na enyina so onye dey enim no. Maybe yes is here. In the case of Ghana, no, the introduction of the double track system, no, unlike say ni penyina no, ya run political commentary, say oh, the bonnet double track abe say school, Ghana, maminche omu ye say entesa. double track was an innovative response. So wo akwenya say wo be fam kwara 800,000 students within the schools and an option of taking 1.4 million. Your first option as a state, as a government, as a ministry, they say, would it be a friend is a cut-off point, beba? The cut-off point was Arabia went to mania 21 be our bon. Or not Korana bon. Government now failed to be able to provide an innovative response about addresses and Korano. Duber job more than half of Ghanaian students because from 800,000 to 1.4 million, that is about 600,000 students a job move you. But here is what we did. We brought in double track and says, how 1.4 million students in Namunya de Bunko school. But the choir Bafasuni. Instead, say, and KBT ne binti no. Yeah, the tracking system here the eba. Tracking system here the ban. Minya kwesi. Yeah, and they say, yeah, ye chain crown mum you know into green and gold no. Yeah. Now in ordinarily no, say say classroom back on cry, fancy be 100 now. This time around because say what chemo no into about 75. Yeah. You recruit more teachers. As soon as you recruit more teachers, the teacher to student ratio no esote. Quickly teaching and learning materials be another day. Aba. After so no asa training teachers no motivate you no asa extra class day. Because extra classes will also mean that instructional hours na asa day increase. And under double track, the instructional hours and the contact hours that the teachers had with the students had rather increase. Contrary to the general view, saying crying fee or more 2 months. No, in terms of time, on the church in a rather increase. And reflecting the outcome, maybe Bobosui. Now, briefly, Papa no saw your NDC. It may kind of time before they were leaving office and year so 2023. Just few comparison. English language, 2015, one more record of 45.2% in 2015. 2023, 73.11%. Integrated science, 28.7% as against 66.82%. Mathematics, 34.2% as against 62.23%. Social studies, 57.4% as against 76.76%. But don't name the home here. The home here say, who say, oh, co-university course subjects on English, math, science, social. Until say 2015, only 28.7% of students spend a pass in science. What essentially means is that only 28.7 students are on secondary school start 2015 and then access to tertiary education. Now compared to year for the past 9 years, free SHS batch consistently a minimum of 50% get A1 to C6 in all core subjects. Even in 2022-2023, 60% had A1 to C6. So every year free SHS bar, you are getting more than 50% of your students getting access to tertiary education. And this is what it means. No, I am coming there. I am coming there. First of all, any professor or your researcher or make a statement, we never provide any evidence, any basis upon which organ a statement in. First of all, you cannot even trust him whether they claim or making a factual or not. Because what today say, oh, researcher we in maybe I sample students will go. Open with me. Yeah. Sample students will go. Sample students okay university. Sample students and based on that, finding they be at the average mean, and 83.2% and the intimina. Then we have a case. Indeed. Sample net is let's hear from this direction. You say a basic school system, no. We had a problem there. One in Mukruma said the basic school system, no. The reading and writing, where you're trying so here Mukruma. And so here try, just 2015, no. You're assessing crowd mutimi ekenkai etro ebua content. Only 2% of students could read and write in basic 2. In Ghana, yes. And it's only under 2022 under significant intervention by it do 38%. Now mind you, some crowd we are no monya kwenyan kakran no moya the echo. Would you rather say, oh, your government, you are looking into the face of this in Kwarakacham, say, we are denying you an opportunity to secondary school higher education or tertiary education, rather than saying, say, well, let me give you an opportunity to justify your inclusion. Say, you are a university system, our universities are autonomous. Professors should be telling us, say, Sakuraba no good or mathematics and I say English. You provide English 101, mano. Na sebedi 5 years in Pokra na kwani bedi school na even 6 years yema na kwanya no nko no nwie that rather than say hwesa akure maka chen say we Ghana ni we nya say we ntima calculate algebra no we are wasting your life no nko he okwa America will provide a system for him not the person we be awaye the same akura no but Ghana had a professor of a university looks into that akura face on to calculate algebra nti enyi na di that's
Mekami
free SHS.
I on aban we aye ni who say who criticize and now raise issues regarding free senior high school. Okay. We are mambofu. But yes, sir. Say who did you maybe? Obia or teach or a chiria or nuna on who so a war sa policies. Inti say you pointy out may aban fanu say you criticize it because adienu enye. Free senior high school obia ij2 ufa your constitution article 25 omo churo sa constitution na omonim say mrebe bedru o Ghana ehia say yam provide secondary education even to the extent say tertiary kura ebe provide depending on availability of resources per article 25 of the constitutions but you see me brother or kasano say okaya under President Kufo ankasa raise issue regarding quality nabai raise issues regarding quality of senior high schools for establish what we call the Adom Men's Committee. Say omuntinasi na omuye evaluation of the quality in education. Any omun proposal recommendations obetimi aban betimi aye ebe improve. Yeah. Enti Adom committee by report no recommend two things. Provisions of infrastructure. Any niyama bema quality no peja. Okay. Na or say aban entimi yes niyama no then aban increase the number of years instead of 3 years, Okay. Now only 4 years. Okay, President Kufo senior high school 4 years. Or implement 4 years, Yeah. He decided to choose the easy way out. Or increase it 4 years. Professor Mills any your mama buying now. Yeah, buy no. You can't say Debbie. Here say ye dia Adom Men's Committee no eka no. So extension of year no needless. Okay. Until you provide the infrastructure needed for that. Until Adams reverse here. Or reverse here, no infrastructure, availability of infrastructure in your whole. But what did he do? He actually introduced an innovative way. School be temporary structure say more. So we're able to accommodate the number of students more. It say raise issues of quality. Enye na issues of quality has been raised. But we want research. There be me catch will say the genesis of quality so enye free senior high school reduce here. But it's like school senior high school no ebe increase the number of students. Now ukasa and we see when the size of students does reduce. But mind you, teachers would introduce you double track teachers need rest too. And the minds need to rest. Now or impact the knowledge. And you have him all year round or so there will be fatigue. Now fatigue contributed to also reduction in quality.
But do you believe say 83.2% of free senior high school products in Nimdie ewo form?
Bibi amemiti me ba omo ina call ba ku wo ya can you say Cape Coast CCA menu or university. Me catch you at least per my standard me evaluate you they are not a bad students. Omo ya there.
Omo enjoy free senior high school no.
Why? They are Ghanaians. Okay. And I have no option. Me option. Me option. Me I can't just say. Many option. No, member. Many option. Me option. I can be didn't make call amanoni. But they come o.
You be say. What's the good also? What's the They like who say Professor Arezi, Professor Martin Arezi issue be say 83.2% of our students need free senior high school no. Omodi sunya enwa kakakra. Eti na bese business wo fu a o ma miensa a benefit free senior high school
min di say 84 no number no ye too outrageous. 84 83 no is too much. I know there me will problem kakra.
Okay.
At least there are inadequacies in terms of the policy. Okay. But 83 84 there I doubt.
Okay.
Genuinely in any pebia opening just a quick one. Dr. Isaac Owusu Mensah.
Okay.
Wakasimbi or a PhD holder. Or also child there with Legon
political science.
Political science. I said this is very embarrassing to academic honesty. Where did he get his facts from? I teach political research and face students in political science solve complex regression and correlation questions. Maybe his geography students are not able to solve simple algebra questions. He should keep it to the geography department. Also, to put in perspective, some students in Legon have no engagement whatsoever with algebra. It has almost be a question. Where are the colleague lecture?
Responses are airban. Can Oforata or no ankasa so now or express opinion regarding the inadequacies in our free senior school. When you're in this city. So let's look at it holistically.
Okay.
Almost say
political
exactly.
Okay.
Issues no ye raise here. Men feel say we in this city and now we in this on your Ghana ni. Me catch you say me ba was senior high school. Now me ba was senior high school no the effect of it. One, oko school na oba. Or the niyama ba and the niyama ba me manu enwura me dan wo. Okay. Because of fear of bed bugs. It's one of the challenges I was school. You raise it, I say NDC. Any issues of NDC and MPP. It's an issue confronting the people of Ghana. Oba na mama oba wura ni niyama ni na wo compound no. Ni na na ya jai wo we no. Na makofa ni tadie wo new one na be the amano. Because of the fear of bed bugs. And it is something that is most of the schools are confronted with.
Okay.
Who raise it? Any criticism, but you are raising it for duty bearers to know, say, as some way or now co address it. But you see, more ye bibia sabio a time bomb. Almost suppress opinions, particularly teachers, you know. Ukwa na omu who say, omudni mu say, Uba TV, any day, na mama bang, omu catch you, Niama. Omu comfort you, but me catch omu to me voice. Omu voice na ya pamumu.
Just briefly.
And those are issues because you suppress opinions, you know. The actual problems are comfort to students. You know?
Okay.
So let your department and your ministry be flexible on these things. Allow the teachers to voice out. At least it will help. And ebema aban betime assure kwan so a obetime aye nu ye. At least school nu enye ni ba pen eko. My catch say me bad 3 girls
and I benefit.
I benefit me Ghana me to tax. Me to tax and on time me ko minister me do me ko amano. Say oba on school or campus. Oh didi. Me didi so they are met me benefit and benefit here. Me didi. Who give me tax and
I think menti ala large one I met to work as well. Minutes more take time. Somewhere we say Ebia na the minister, Ebia na deputy minister. Maybe there's a certain director somewhere. Yeah, office or draw certain political power bintino. Who want a district na error for obetian. About the whom am neka say.
Minya, no kre wo mnese ho. Sa era of social media.
Yeah.
Ofa hen ko suppress obi. I will try picture ba copy of what is going on. No the man young kokra to Facebook and Twitter. Ade e koso nyina obi abehu. In the era of social media. Who say ade e say tia say say institution be on structures of communication.
Okay.
Menua Moa Adom FM ha ye wa ha ye adwuma multimedia.
Yeah.
Ebia eba ovin employee relationship kura bia na enye bibia na obi ene ye de eje ho. But won't be meta TV so nya de enka. Ekoba say eba government of Ghana nkwa there people feel say there are no structures. It doesn't work anywhere in the world. No, it doesn't work anywhere in the world. But granted without even admitting some part there is that supposed suppressing. Now free SHS then am nwane ho asem media nim. Ne teacher for na bo amama na maybe inflationary pressures na nwane nko. Nye mo na teacher for ne bi kasa e bo so person we mani anonymous ni adem. When you push them to list one case. Say one is suppressing the transfer they are unable to get for you. But for the I'm suppressing one. Kai say teacher for nankasa were unions. Chas, meboa, head teachers. Nagrat, meboa. And I almost our NAT, any CCT. And to say teacher need no custom individually am I suppressing what happens to NAT. Minister for Education bit was suspended NAT and Nagrat. Close to 350,000 members. On more Kasebu, how more Kasakabu, no be a musiki, one more Kase striker. There are strikes in there no more nudging. In that ministry, Kwangana for you, oh, as some more candy. Kamu Sheni Yakabeba. But I mean, sometimes your hands are tight. Also, Salam headmaster. A lot of times, you know, when they say, oh, teacher for so Kasa, the free teachers name Kuye, na Omokasa, a bambe victimizer, I don't think it's true. Because the moment I my feedback in our comments, oh, they want me who may be a loophole here, the ever. And I make quite me try catch or say, be aware education sector and whether basic, whether senior high school, whether tertiary, 100%. I'm a boy. No bus system produces good outcomes. We've had a systemic challenge as a country in all sectors of our economy. And yes, we admit there are challenges. But the BM can say those challenges are not occasioned by the fact that government is making it free. I want to say the challenges, what would be the basis? Say headmaster Krokoha. Anakoha. Na sebi sampo na tia. So we adwuma onka na yase ko voter. Sebi wo mo ho no nye nipa na akoso mo. Ah? We adwuma wa ha na yase ko no offer nye nipa na akoso mo. And when you take an appointment, say we take you offer of appointment, you open yourself for transfer to anywhere. But we can say, oh, be a transfer will be baha, a transfer is your victimized. You're victimized on what basis? Sana tell the idea is wrong. If you know, just like they themselves has even defined structures of their communication. One more teacher ni, oh, a member of Nagrat now be cast the position of Nagrat now, but you have problem with them. There has not been any suppression, and said you music can, but if there is any evidence, one bit my boy. But for us in the Ministry of Education, we are open to embrace all views to help us do our work well.
And say she say you can correct. Salem, also Salem. The headmaster also Salem. The headmaster, senior high school. The headmaster, the beginning, I think 2007, the beginning. I think the following 2018, 2019 thereabout. Now, Akonya ni school.
Okay.
The school is confronted with lack of chairs. Oba abanti esere say omo a ombeti ma aboa no ombebo opamu omo pamu.
Oh how?
Yeah, pam teacher. Osum Salem me ka kire o. E okrom ha.
Ye transfer na say ye pam.
Ye pamu no.
Ya pam no free school ni.
Ah, ko check me ka kire o. Until you can say there is no evidence. I'm saying say me I participated in PTAs. Me ko because me was school no. Me conference me papa won ko school da. Me mama wuye na me akwala enti obia mi sister su obia ni ho a obeba PT
enti de pa
enti
oko advance payment
me convance payment so me ba ene my madwin say there is nothing I be preventing me in providing them with quality education.
Okay.
I say mean day 3.
Okay.
I want because I feel the absence of parents. Yeah PTA now o family member biamba obia you feel it weekend yeah ba be visit o family member bi emba now who say ebi mu new parent eba I have that personal experience into my imagine say there's nothing say me ba school be fresh say
now back Salamping
Uzi
back Salamping
there be
now what is that
oh that's a media publication
quickly just a quick bite on that
into me ma participate ukwa now kotina PTA meeting we are who say teachers ni be free because omo who say Uber TV omo catch you say the ikoso they complain in quiet because omo soro say omo raise aban be hantia you see democracy here in our practice ye pegana ye so omo ho inside no jai omo na omo nkasa o jai teachers no kasa they are how a comfortable free senior school, you understand where this lecture is coming from.
But can you also admit that sometimes they be so customer
any political, even a lot of them are political.
No, but you see, in a democracy, there are those who go to the extremes. Okay. Let me tell me represent the political party.
Yeah.
But listen to me. I am speaking because I feel say say ebeye niyama ebe CC na Ghana beye because I always think say what kind of legacy are you leaving behind to your children?
Okay.
Who contributed to the who say niyama ewo mine? Your children will come and inherit it.
Okay.
And that will be bad. So me feel say the policy of gagging teachers, any headmasters,
policy.
Policy.
Policy. Policy is
scripted.
Me say I ban policy.
Scripted.
I am telling you. Say I ban policy.
Do you have a copy of that?
We a media person.
Yeah.
You just go around the secondary schools. Me national service. Me also Presby secondary school. And that was around 2016, 2006.
Okay.
Me service, you know. But you see, minimum the structures within the secondary schools. And I'm saying, what can say? There is no policy there. Then it means that he doesn't serve the interest of the people.
But I see, Allah, do Haruna, me pass your call, you go formula, you bar. Yeah, the fact check.
We are fact check you policy.
Yes, someone you know come be there. I'm catch us say we need 3 live draws. You want 9 a.m., 12 p.m. and at 6 p.m. No nsia bom pre no da ko bia. Ba ko abo. We are fortunate. Adom TV no nsia de e bom pressa. Eti awia du mienu enwre no nsia. No nsia be sa abobu biem. On mula. Enti owo opportunity say obetimi asa e remember ba ko so na etwa. Got a big draw nankasa by a man for had the chance to win about 300,000 Ghana cedis. Baby adri a fact check. Adom and Tubawa. Yedi a catcher say, "O kika won semna, kika ni ye." Cause a man for no kure and tro ni on ha weni and our kind. A man for another Thursday, not work out there. Yeah, they are say, yeah, put 2 people on their toes to make them do the right thing.
The can say, Obeba TV, so be post TV on social media, making sure say, no cray. And yes, I don't need to bow. Yeah,
nice one. So today, our first claim, ever.
And the first claim, Yenya Dennis Miracle Abuaji.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, Kasama former Baumia campaign. Now, okay, Joy News interview be. Okasana no say well you know fight galamsey ye ni abri say fight galamsey na ana journalist ni catch and say galamsey nsem de na say omo kra omo ba nsem because it is claimed say akonta mining ne ho nsem ana miracle say well akonta mining is illegal bibia you okay now omo nya omo license kra under the NDC administration video no on tie for bet me ahede
okay tie ko miracle there is Abuaje on Joy News abra no make it a claim.
People were in the pit. And when I heard that the NDC people were in the pit encouraging Galamsey, I didn't believe it. I didn't just come out to speak. I waited for the evidence. Akonta mining is a licensed small-scale mining. Since when did small-scale mining become illegal? So the fact that somebody owns a mining concession doesn't make it illegal. The Galamsey illegal mining we are talking about are individuals and businesses who are mining in our river bodies and our forest reserves without the appropriate licenses. Because what the licensing does is that once you have it, you are regulated to mine in safe and appropriate way. That does not affect our environment. And so unless you have contrary evidence to prove that Akonta mining is not, because Akonta mining, they didn't get their license at the MPP. They got their license in 2013 under the NDC government. And they are doing their...
Okay. So Nat, what is the verdict?
Okay, the verdict is false because by my minchim, the function is so. About mining license are 5 types. Your reconnaissance license, your prospecting license, your mining lease, your restricted mining lease, and your small scale mining license. Over the miracle kind now, a year Akonta mining. Your share minerals commission documents no. Omunya reconnaissance license and prospecting lease. I not sure say your momo license so mun kohwehwem e ye obekwa catch minerals commission say me hu say bia agudie obabi ntimi pese me ye den me kohwehwem hwe say ye ya omo the side license ne ma Akonta mining 2011 and 2012 enti eba no reconnaissance license and prospecting license now omunya in 2011 and 2012 by a ban license a yedi to a good year now, which is the mining lease no akonta mining enya no 31st July 2021.
Okay.
Meaning say HRC any ko year.
Yeah.
A ban mining lease now according to Minerals Commission documents no akonta mining enya omo license omo de kutu a good year no because license ne omo ahodo ebi oho no ma ye mfa nkutu oba ka che Minerals Commission say o mahu say good year be oba bi me kohwe eno permit say obetu but the editu ne there akonta mining nya no 31st July 2021.
Okay.
And see okay miracle kind sana na say ensheda enkoye.
Ejehwe your last claim
The last claim no yeah Nancy amukoye balloting for you know I won't buy appear for our ballot paper. So there was this video that was trending on social media and person much say yeah NPP for swap on position you know, with another candidate. Okay. Yehwe video no na say enye enye na kakra ntie yekohwehwe mu me sure say TV4 the better so TV4 no I want the better some ITF ahu.
Ejehwe the balloting video here called so electoral commission atnaye.
Thieves. Oh, it's too bad. Thieves, they are stealing. Even balloting, they are stealing. Oh! See, swap. Oh! Oh! No. Oh! Even balloting, they are stealing. Oh!
So, that was a commentary. Yeah, that video now say they are stealing. It's not one and a stealing. A verdict to say.
It's yekohwehwe mu. Let's say video are trending. They pushing narratives to say they say NP4 we are sawe no. But hwehwe mu na nya no kore because Evans ni makokofa paper no akofa ne paper buy no. The immediate person no o no ne chain no na Peter McMahon. Okay. Nti obie mu chere Peter McMahon. Na hwe video no kora na obie mu na afi na apalu ekofa ne paper. And see you na say enya no kre say almost sign and almost swap position paper na then e wo honum na NDC for more director of elections even Dr. Amani Boama eco post on social media Facebook chere mu say well no mo ti hobby there is no way on bet na honum mama we mu bia then akoso honum na mo hu here there was no swapping.
Okay.
And see even NDC more director of election e be kan say well not hobby omani trodo no omani ko mo hwe no so happy be anko senti say tie4 anasa ahwefo hu video bi sa online person dey push the narrative of there was a stealing of the position fan say enya no kre.
Okay, e better say 18 year catch that man for nyina ne say unya kwanya na so original political campaign platform so now unya kwanya na kasa obaby a once voice e carry people along into no ya be jonsem no ni asone so ni amama for ne hu no kore entro eni on ha wani e ma de e kan so yenko website bay ye fa ko ken kan sa verdict we nyina
in kan we nyina ma ya hyperlink documents ni nyina ho no mo documents e using na be hu obetimi akọ ghana.dubawa.org and na akọ Adom online articles ne bibia go no ma obetimi akan ma ho
that's it na te better so be not from Dubawa and Adom ne akabo mo a ye say edwumede bro se ne be ya manfo be hu no wona sebi ha woni kansem wona etwa ntro en wona e ka no kre e won komode e mo edi emu abijafo era so e won kwanya so e ba bede enkuma large Halidu Haruna member of the NDC National Communications Team so ena kwesi kwate member of the NPP National Communications Team na so dey na ka ba
I like the sana or the two big ones are there. I mean, just a quick bite on that. Now, Okase, I mean, on this whole, I mean, his claim on victimization. We say, medical Kase, institution be on the structures of communication. Sebi, and this simple. And the BBC, alleged will not just get up.
So, any simple dear. I know the H. Kasa.
Oh, me, anyway. And the bonus. But I just make cancer for emphasis sake.
Okay. So NDC.
NDC.
Yes. Structures
yes.
of communication.
For emphasis sake, not in a derogatory manner.
Yeah.
At least just for purpose of clarity. No. Ti emianu NDC for we. Say ene bibiaba na also mo respond and also address here. No matter how you belong to the NDC as a member of the NDC, you don't just get up. So sure. No, there are structures of communication. There are structures of communication. Yeah. People want us to jettison all structures of communication just because they are Benjuma. Maybe you can say guy be AC so and your more friend teacher kwejo. Say maintaining kebi. Me bro na say they are kasam keke. Namha no ye say no ye video no ye say and I admit that challenges in the education sector they have been systemic. And not there for fraud.
So no, that's why
me custom. That's why I say no. But you see, and now by Juma, we are seeing be any who say 1 full year, unko classroom 3 times. Ebe mo water Juma. Eba by Juma there, you people feel say there are different rules. No, it doesn't work anywhere.
Any medical teacher for you?
Say almost 30 years. Say I think I do not record the exact facts, but let me say 1 full term or 1 full year, no go school 3 times. No way in the world will entertain this. A buyer near deviated from it, just your advocacy or one. Yes, I mean, you can read all meanings to it, but stick to the facts. And I'm coming to maybe as more kind. Obo school was Salem Senior High School. Yeah. Me now opportunity to see Krata or more at the Pamon if there was a Pamobi like that. Me nya Krata to who, but Secretary be also came maybe who facts. But senior high school so yenim how be a born home modern a church for your head teachers and no money other but there will be excesses recently want to say that some schools one more charge more for graduation fee. It took the Ghana Education Service one more cut about there's not like senior high school graduation fee says can was say about just last year one more suspended head mistress and all. Yeah. Na yin say okoje sika for nyane. That very week can say okoje sika for nyane near the nyane ko. Nti some of these things and say banner one situating within that proper context. No one say oh I say in the I say in say these are the facts surrounding the issue. Now guys oh your pamo head teacher and say pamo obinti victimization. I don't agree. I vehemently disagree. That's what I'm saying say baby say on victimization. Teacher for nankasa one more unions. Even the unions no you don't just get up and talk. There are structures of communication there. Okay. And the OBN who are victimized will be because we are free senior high school. Okay. In any case, other than they be free senior high school. The basic school level, junior high school, primary level, tertiary level, how any challenges were. Because senior high school, particularly the free senior high school, came at the backdrop of a political promise. And some way, somehow, we've been able to deliver effectively. And the outcomes are supporting our claim, say indeed, the education, transformation, socio-economic transformation. And we are not more
FQ came at the back of a political decision.
Yes.
But you yes, a comparison and
no, but you see,
because FQ was basic school. Now basic school, politicians now implementing FQ.
Now what challenges?
Challenges were now that is even worse because basic school here. Intina under your mama, any Professor Musi, amendi get fund loan. Now get fund was meant to take care of only the tertiary education. Establish a legislative instrument. Who say the basic foundation no papa. Okay. At least the esro no papa. We amended the get fund law to capture in to provide infrastructure for basic schools. Na yetimi you can say school under trees under your mama any professor who say kika omo ba na omo ko fa sikanu get fund. Mu collaterally. Mu di my you collected $1.5 million. Musi mu di be infrastructure. As we speak now, many schools are omonibi. But the most important issue is per se, and you should take it in good faith. Say Ghana ni can assemble a fast free senior school. At the back of your mind, you think the person is doing politics. It will receive fundamental challenges that here the attention of government. Munti ebe boy. Ya chichiri man.
Mera se ma activating full line say di ko 0302211701 211-702 0302 211-703 na yene komodi emi ni do babeka
na topic no say o mo
na ma yedi na ye professor yo ka se ba woni basis o se be ho from you
this ala de na izaka de me na ka mesoka
de na mesoka bi
da bi say we see mine galamsey
ye bom enye ba bosum ye de bi ase beta na wasam ya ka kakra ye ene education
omo amuko chi ye
no bi o de na
sa protesters no
enjane professor na ka ene na so
when him said Ronaldo o lead demonstration ewo Ghana in 1995
but man ko hospital say ayare fo nwuram
nipa menu ye
so man ko
hospital yan Ronaldo enko tumu nipa menu wu ye
so demonstration
come pre demonstration
hello good morning
nipa menu wu
but me so man ko
hello good morning Mr. Alaj Mr. But what is an African?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Roba main ti o ho ewo TV ne so ai ye nim komo phone ne so oba ye nim komo wo phone so ti o ho TV ne so nya sa there be am feedback ama delay no akwa ekese. Hello good morning. Hello good morning. Ah there be o ti nya. Good morning. Bogo so gifty. Patrick you.
Me pachawo. Me pese mi bi se mi nia NDC ni say.
Okay.
E ba galamsey mu a NDC for hini cha no mu gina.
Okay.
Sha what ya ni paka so mu nkonko ya demonstration chantia galamsey for. Se ko ni sa galamsey no na mo mpa. That time na do sorry say wo tu ase no. Hanka mo mu anko gina that side. Mutimi nam sa mo dia mo ba. Baby a munya mo be gina ha se mo nya se ama wi nipa baby obi aka bia won kotutu ena mo akura ma sa ata ne mo mi si NDC oni ani so ade hunu ba ko sei o be ka dia tre Ghana for
Matimera say hello good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho this an African.
But tell me stop of because I feel it.
Open it you.
Ma tell na mi say che policy no e abia e bo Ghana. Yes, Ramon, your force, I'm far politics in Matabata. As I na a corner, in the Nipa, in your GDA corner. It's a good news about better man for the dress. Thanks for the position for the deputy, or more can I said the end. I'm an amazing, I say, a boy about me about the Abena and Abua or man.
Okay.
And so, position also, that we are no more cancer, no good about anyone. And what is among cancer and pampa.
Matimera say hello good morning. Hello good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Open pacho din is an African.
Within the Eric, because every was a Ekropon.
Eric pacho
You. Honorable Kaka Mekan say a galamsey issue, Mestre. That is a young area Hanamon, a baby. A Jumapia said I in the Hanamo area. So and I buy also a yes or galamsey konosumo. Yanya Yenim for a NDC party. May come from a show, Mobia and Fanny say a political and a mayor. Now, so many people say, if you move baby, we have some forest to cry walk, but some and feet is the Hanma. And you was a Cropon Road, a cobalt, forest in the moon, and let's say, go for him.
Okay,
I will wear the Juma. What I say? Go for him on my Juma. It's the day I can answer me. And they can't because they are politics in the area. For some on my Juma, NDC, MPP, what we are in Galamsey, only on a Juma.
Matimera say hello, good morning.
Good morning, many of them today.
But what about this self-refrain?
I'm in the Lampard because every commercial man from
Me patriote you.
So, said the can Galamsey issue not but in say, in Ghana, in a coin, you call every one and a person, you can be penny this year. Which we had this in it, me could Galamsey side cut you, say. Womunye no mumu kwan amumaye yenu sampa abano akwan ye ye de nyina ka gbobetuma ye na ndisi for de bia me kasa Ghana for omu ye ni na ho sa ndisi pa da sa ba de Ghana so de ka te mu da banka me
Mera se nyankopon enhyira mfa frɛ ni nyina ensianom nyankopon ya adom watch na #defendmediafreedom ejumadi na ye de bro alaja de bi
defend media freedom. Opening remarks, no can say, yes, na yam protect him.
Yes.
Munsu na mun defend the interests of the people of Ghana. One who say, Obi who say, he has an interest in you, nobody defend you.
Yeah.
Now say who media ni who defend you any a community ebe hardwi nti obi a be ko say who defend you mun defend Ghana mu defend Ghana for be defend you. Yeah, me advice me more.
Yes, so I advise Papa.
But I think that it is wrong regardless of positions that media need be fano. It is absolutely wrong say obi assault to media.
But I say Alaj Alidu Haluna, a member of the NDC National Communications because he quite a member of the NPP National Communications. To be there questions here or channel past 7 a.m. pepe near the hashtag defend media freedom. Chimedi Efri Kumase Ebro Macron.